It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. I fixed it. I fixed my setup. Let's go, baby. Now, the market. Now, I told y'all, right? I told y'all a few days ago that I was waiting for this, right? Just go look at the previous videos. I said this crash isn't over. We just had so many variables that were going on, from the tension to we just got the pox, you know. And that looks wild, right? So I don't know what's really going on with that, but I know in a few other countries they're starting to have reports, right? Um, there were liquidations, right? The job numbers came out, longs got liquidated, and then the government moved some more Bitcoin to Coinbase. Now I'm not sure if they specifically sold any, but anytime that happens, the market tends to get a bit of fear or FUD. So with that being said, we're seeing a pretty good correction. Now I wanna make this clear, guys, that if we just go to my market predictions here on my chart, this is the total three, right? I made this chart months ago, and I said that usually we're oversold. We were oversold for 77 days, right? And when we got back in our zone here, back in the oversold section, I'm looking for the double bottom, which could be another 77 days, which puts us right around the end of October, headed into November, right? So Q4. And this is when I believe the next leg will begin. Now, in the midst of that window, that what is it? August right now, so we got September, October, but the end of October, November, right? There are going to be a lot of people that leave crypto, time capitulation, run out of money. They're just not going to make it. So even though, let's say it doesn't happen in Q4, right? And it happens in Q1, right? My main focus here is to make sure that I work as hard as possible to save, preserve, and create opportunity through liquidity to be able to take advantage of these dips headed into what I believe personally could be one of the most lucrative parabolic stages in crypto history, right? I mean, guys, election time is coming. This is, in my opinion, this is according to plan, right? According to plan, right? This could be our 2020 move. And if we head here to the, right now we're looking at the total three, but if we head here to BTC, actually let's go to the BTC charts, pull that up here. We're going to do the BTC charts, guys. You can see that again, we are oversold here on BTC. Actually, let me pull up my BTC tether chart. And in the comments, don't be shy, right? My name is Crypto Millie. I talk about crypto each and every day. Let me know how you plan on strategizing headed into Q4. But again, you can see here, if I measure this out, this comes to 77 days, and I like to use what I've seen in the past, right? So last time we hung out in the oversold area for about 77 days. I expect that we hold out in this area, the oversold area, for about 60 to 7 days. So maybe another month before we start to see that next leg up. But here's the thing, because this could go either way. Crypto itself needs to hold above the bull market bands here, right? Which is around 60,000. We need to either hold above 60,000, hold 60,000, or be somewhere around 60,000, 57, 59. This is cool, right? We don't need to come back to any of this structure down here in the 43, 44 range, because in my opinion, that'll be too much fear, and I expect a lot of people to get baby hands, right? What we call baby hands, and sell off their crypto. So pay attention to what's going on in the macro environment, but don't let it scare you out, right? This is a great post here from Lark. He says, what the hell is going on in crypto? PPI down, CPI down, S&P 500 up. So the stock market is doing good. Gold is at all-time high, but for some reason it seems like crypto is being suppressed, guys. So again, pay attention to what's happening, right? Because this is not exactly what's happening. That sounds crazy, but check it out. Institutional demand for crypto spiked in the second quarter of 2024. So while we've been going sideways, selling off, the institutional interest has been spiking, right? So I told you, I didn't get an opportunity to buy as much crypto as I wanted to buy the last dip. But this dip, I will be doing some DCAing. I'm not going to put my entire net worth, okay? Let's make that clear. I'm not your advisor. I'm not putting my entire net worth, but I will be doing some DCAing, right? So Goldman Sachs now holds 418 million in crypto exposure. BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust, the most popular Bitcoin ETF in the U.S., holds 238.6 million in Bitcoin shares. So this is what happened in Bitcoin exposure. So this is what happening, guys. Meanwhile, when all of this fear is going across the market, institutions have been buying the dip. So I'm a bit excited. Another pandemic seems to be low, man. If we get pandemic prices again, I mean, I don't see how anybody would want to miss that, right? If you were around 2020, you probably wish you bought more crypto, right? Anybody who didn't, you know, get a chance to benefit from that opportunity, when you look back in hindsight, you're like, what was I thinking then, right? Why was I not locked in? So this is the time, guys, really to be locked in. You need to be locked in right now because we might get blessed with some generational prices, and we know institutions are buying crypto, right? We know that crypto is here to stay, right? It's clear as day that it's here to stay. How the meme coin super cycle, ETFs, it's here. AI, it's here, right? So we are one step closer to what I would call the triple play. The fear and green index is in the fear. I would like to see the sentiment cross the bearish line. And we do have the altcoins in Bitcoin season, which has always been a great time. So as long as it's below 25. So right now what we need is the crypto sentiment to go below this line. And that's what I'm waiting for. I would like the crypto sentiment to go below this line like we've seen here. Bought crypto, bought crypto. Now, all of this is depicted upon when we're in a bullish trend, right? Up and to the right. If we're in a bear market, you got to look at things a little bit different, right? But we're in a bullish trend. Every time FUD comes out, whether it be Germany, whether it be tension across the world, whether it be macro wins, right? Crypto seems to rebound, right? And I think the same thing is going to happen because we got, come on, guys. These are actually supposed to be bullish, right? PPI down, CPI down, Fed cuts on the way, right? Treasury buybacks. All this stuff is supposed to be bullish, but crypto, it's not going up. This is it. This is it. So you need to be properly prepared now in case we do get this black swan. And I'm telling you, man, if you got to go harder, find a second job, this is the time where you really increase your hustle, increase your liquidity, and put yourself in a position. Hear me out. Put yourself in a position to accumulate crypto at low prices headed into that next leg around Q4, Q1 2025. My name is Crypto Millie. I talk about crypto. Guys, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out the links in the description. I got my Margex if you're in the link leverage trading, my crypto.com. If you never open a crypto exchange account, use my crypto.com link, earn 25 to 50 bucks. And also, if you're into cross-chain swapping, say you need to send some ETH to base ETH to buy some base meme coins, you can also use my Rocket X link and cross-chain swap. I'll see you in the next one.